Now, moving to the binary number system. Moving to binary number system. This binary number system plays a very important role regarding our subject, entire subject point of view. Coming to the binary number system. Coming to the binary number system. Okay. Coming to binary number system. Binary number system. Here in binary number system, how many every digit, every symbol, here we are calling it as one bit. Here we are calling it as one bit. In binary number system, we are calling it as a bit. We are calling it as bit. Every distinct symbol we are calling it as a bit. Now, in binary number system, the bits play very important role. The bits play very important role, and bit position also very important role. Bits play very important role. Bits play a very important role. Sir, why? Why? Because in order to represent any binary number, 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 how many bits you are using? How many bits you are using? How many bits?
Two.
Don't say directly two. That bits play a very important role. How many bits we are using? That plays a very important role. How many bits you are using? That's those play a very important role. Now, if I take a single bit to represent number, if I take a single bit or one bit, if I take one bit to represent binary numbers, if I take one bit to represent a binary number, how many numbers I can write? How many numbers I can write? How many numbers I can write?
Two.
Just wait. How many numbers? Very good. If you know, very good. How many numbers I can write? How many numbers
Zero and one.
I can write if it is a single bit? I am saying that it is a single bit number. Okay. 0. I can write first number as 0 and second number as 1. The second number as 1. How many bits here I have considered single bit? How many numbers I can write? How many numbers I can write? I can write 2. The count is 2. Please mute yourself, somebody by mistakenly unmuted your video. The count is 2. The count is 2. The count is 2. The count is 2. How many numbers I can write? 2. First number, second number. What is the maximum number I can write? The maximum number I can write, the maximum number I can write is,
One.
if I consider one bit, the maximum number I can write 1. Okay. Now I'm moving next. I'm moving next here. Uh, because of space constraint, I can erase this one. Now I'm considering 2-bit representation. I'm considering 2-bit representation. I'm considering 2-bit representation. 2 bits. 2 bits. I can. I am right. I am considering it as 2 bits. 2 bits means first bit, second bit. Once again, second number also contains 2 bits. Third number also contains 2 bits. Fourth number also contains 2 bits. Okay. Now the first number what I can write 0 0. Second number what I can write 0 1. Third number what I can write 1 0. Fourth number what I can write 1 1. Sir, how? Sir, how? Some people had a doubt, sir, how? Suppose we have only two symbols, 0, comma 1. What is the next number? What is the next number?
10, sir.
10. What is the next number?
11.
What is the next number?
0 0.
Now, Here, if you observe in this pattern, if you observe here clearly, here I am writing a single bit. Here I am writing a single bit. But here I am writing 2 bits. Here I am writing 2 bits. Here I am writing 2 bits. Here I am considering 3 bits. Here I am considering 3 bits. That is the reason whenever you are representing any binary number, whenever you are representing any binary numbers, how many bits you are using, that plays a key role. That is what I am explaining here. If I consider 2 bits, this is the 2-bit representation of binary numbers. The first number what I can write is 00, 01, 10, 11. Okay. Why? Because here, if you consider 2 bits, that will become 00. That is what I have written. The first 4 numbers, that is what I have written here. Hope are you understanding what I am saying? Everyone, please, can someone unmute and tell me? Are you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Please mute your audio. Now, this is the 3-bit representation. Now, how many numbers I can write? If I consider 2 bits, how many numbers I can write?
4.
Count of numbers how can write?
Two.
What is count of numbers I can write? Count of numbers I can write 4. Count is 4. What is the maximum number I can write?
11.
What is the maximum number I can write? Okay. Generally it is 11, but I am writing in a decimal format. The maximum number I can write is 3. Are you getting? The count of numbers I can write. This is the first number, this is the second number, this is the third number, and this is the fourth number. Now, if I convert this into decimal, this will become 0. If I convert this into decimal, this will become 1. If I convert this into decimal, this will become 2. And this, if I convert this into decimal, this will become 3. That means the maximum number what I can write by if I consider 2-bit representation?
3.
3. Okay. I am moving forward. If I consider a 3-bit representation, if I consider a 3-bit representation of numbers, okay? If I consider a 3-bit representation of number, now here I am writing 3-bit representation. 3, 7. Okay. The first number what I can write is 00. Second number what I can write is 001. The third number what I can write is 010. Fourth number what I can write is 011. Fourth number, the fifth number what I can write is 100. Sixth number is 101. Sorry, sixth number. Seventh number is 110. Eighth number is 111. Okay, this is the if I write if I am using a 3-bit representation, these are the numbers I can write. Now, how many numbers I can write? The count is
6.
the count is
8.
8. The count is 8. What is the maximum number I can write?
7.
7.
Very good. 7. The maximum number I can write is 7. Now, this we can by seeing these values, we can form a formula, not a formula. Generally, if I consider an n-bit number, if I consider a n-bit number, how many numbers I can write? The count of numbers are
2 power n.
2 power n. The count of numbers are 2 power n. What is the maximum number I can write? What is the maximum number I can write?
2 power n minus
2
1.
minus
minus
1.
1.
Very good, very good. Hope everyone know these things. Okay. 2 power n minus 1. This is the maximum number I can write. Very good. That is the main important points regarding binary number system. Here, in binary number system, while representing any number, the number of bits play a very important role or the key role in binary number system. We are not concentrating those bit representations in other number systems. Okay, exclusively in a binary number system, we are concentrating on the number of bit positions. Based on the number of bit positions, we are knowing how many numbers are there and what is the maximum number I can write by using those number of bits. Hope I am clear. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Am I clear regarding these base or radix? Okay. Now, if I am clear, radix we can generally this base or radix we are using a symbol small r. We are using a symbol small r. Okay. Suppose if I want to represent here small r. Small r is nothing but it is an indication of radix or base. Okay. You will find this representation also. Small r means radix. Okay. Small r means radix. Now you have to give me the answers. Now tell me, what is this number system? What is this number system?
Decimal numbers.
Decimal number system. Who said it is a decimal number system? What is this number system?
Does not.
Binary
No,
Decimal.
no.
Decimal number system.
It doesn't.
No. Okay, please.
Binary number system.
No. Okay,
Decimal, sir.
please.
Ternary number system.
No. Please mute your audios. Here I am clearly mentioning that if base is 10, I can say that it is a decimal number system. If base is 2, I can say that it is a binary number system. If base is 8, I can say that it is a octal number system. If base is 16, I can say that it is a hexadecimal number system. Here, for this number system, we don't have any name, but by using this base, this is base 3 number system. Don't say it is a binary or don't say it is a decimal number system. Simply say it is a base 3 number system. Base 3 number system. Am I clear? Am I clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is base 3 number system. Okay, now you know this is a base 3 number system. Now tell me, how many distinct symbols are there? What are they? This I am saying that base 3 number system, how many distinct symbols are there?
3.
3
distinct
0 1
symbols.
Three distinct symbols are there. What are they?
0 1 2.
0, 1, 2.
2.
Very good. What is the next number I can write in base 3 number system?
10
1 0.
10.
Very good.
10.
Next number?
11.
11
12.
Next number?
12. 12.
Next number.
20.
Very good.
30. 20.
Don't say 30. We don't have
21.
21.
22.
22. Next number.
30.
Oh, sir, it's not there.
Hmm?
120.
No, sir.
No.
No.
Why no?
102.
100.
Why no? After 2 digits, where we are moving?
3
3
digits.
digits.
Why you are saying don't know? Why 30? Why 200? That is the next number. What is the next number?
101.
This way we are continuing our number systems. Hope I am clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Am I clear? But whenever you are representing this base 3 number system, you should clearly mention what we should mention.
Base.
Base. Then only I can say that it is a base 3.